In this video, we are going to be analysing NBRV. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we continue to push to the upside? And as of right now, we can see we've already touched this one intraday, but we have now sold back below it. And this would be the 30 cents. This is our first deviation on the 1 year chart and would be a relatively strong level. We can see this is kind of where we keep tapping and selling off. So really, if you think this stock is going to go higher, what we would want to see is a break above it, come back to retest it as support, and as long as buying pressure kicks in, then we can expect a further push to our upwards targets. And what would they be? Our closest one after that would be 37 cents. And then from there, we have quite a large push to 52 cents, 65, and then final levels at $1 and $1.35 as final levels to the upside. Now, if instead you are more bearish on this stock, or you want to find key support levels where you would start wanting to buy this stock, what are going to be key support levels that we're paying attention to? And as of right now, our closest support level is 23 cents. If we were able to break that, it would then take us to the 52-week low at 50 cents and a final level at 8/9 cents. So these would be the key support levels. And one thing I want to note is that I do not hold any money invested in this stock, not short bias, not long bias, no stocks, no options. So this analysis isn't biased and it doesn't affect me whether this stock goes up or down. So I've provided you with levels on both the up and down side. So no matter what way you're looking to trade this stock, you have levels. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video here.